Hey there, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Carl. I'm a travel adventure content creator and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Insta as Healy Adventures. 7 years ago I took my first course at ICE Malta. I did the video editing course and basically I learned all the fundamentals for video. Fast forward to a couple of years and I quit university after just 7 months because basically I thought the course wasn't practical enough. And second and most of all, I wanted to chase my dreams, which was do video. However, I did want to keep learning more about marketing, which is why I did the diploma in digital marketing at ICE Malta. The reason I decided to go back to ICE Malta after quitting uni is because the learning there is so practical. I mean, literally, you learn something and you do it straight away, you practice it, and within a few weeks, months, you can get qualified and, do it in the real world, getting paid for it. I then started working as a video editor, editing short films, commercials for some of the largest companies, and to be honest, I wouldn't have thought I'd be doing that just a couple of months before. But that's what you get for going out and literally giving it your all. I have now been freelancing for the past 6 months, and since April I've continued to work with brands, fun concepts, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm super excited to say that I'll be realizing another dream of mine on the 11th of October. I'll be leaving Malta to travel for over a year, starting with 8 months in Asia, traveling to over 13 countries, and then going to Australia and New Zealand for the next 6 months, where I'll be capturing footage along the adventures and releasing at least one video per week on my YouTube channel while posting daily updates on my Insta stories. Always go out of your comfort zone and stay hungry to learn new things. It's going to sound cliche, but I guess it's cliche for a reason. Chase your dreams. From experience I can say that there is nothing better than experiencing and realizing your dreams. I can't wait to start my travel journey, and I hope you join along and watch the weekly videos. Bye-bye!